I was on for Ghana Send TV GH. Myself now like a comment, subscribe, and a notifications will turn on so that anytime video be the same way upload there now Usaka Fefe. I was on for a Lotto forecaster. I know your name as Mussah Dankwah, Global Info Analytics. Where Kaya. So pardon in predictions in there some way but a Tom Rabin I call who say a room Rabin I call who say Sana Papa no a very biased. Allegedly, last time I got a market and a market forecast say, or no, Kojiska, Nibia. Na nipa waman scano, na wabe declare say or ye post be. Now, post no so most of the time, no, a WhatsApp, swan or ye post no. And nanka, there I say, Ghana phone fan was serious, but almost say, Ghana phone or more some level of trust, man. And the Obeka Semno Sano, Ghana phone, we don't even care to review it to see if Asema Okano but we just go and vote per what he has already said say NBC. Now sa Lotto forecaster I friend Mussah Dankwah abeka send back bi on Facebook so or say enim require na say democratically no emra is not allowed say ube pull out of a by-election because of war and something like that. And the NPP for adia moye no enya depa say moaka say mutumi sorry ka say Tamale Central no mun contest no there be democratically no it's not fair except by force and NPP entime contest or sa friend say Tamale Central seat no and anko for bebre ka say Mussah Dankwah on him reasons kwa he knows why he wants NDC to contest that seat by force, and the reason is simple. On say MPP ka say obe contest that seat now, and the market for nekas as win so. Mussah Dankwah guy no wait na ko this car or NDC for obe ka say why ye poll and a poll no suggest say because MP now ye NDC nya was sit no so ntino nko for no beto ama NDC bio NDC for abeka say we MPP for abeka say omun contest bio mu no and there I feel there we lose scar ni koko season I trim and he say by all means on try everything possible but say obe convince MPP for some contest so that always when yakakra echire ho no na MPP for the omo decision ewie and Mussah Dankwah sasika we there unyandi sasika we so wakoji contract bi na say wako obi akobo pa access na the market women na ka ami be ka kire ye viewers no say yes kabi na wakoji how the first kanu ekoman kofo no say polls no unyanya bio MPP so mu contest even though mu bebre enye the same MPP say mu contest there but I feel say be Mussah Dankwah nkwa so be lose this kan nkwa there and there it's good and Lotto forecaster no ni buefu say MPP for my disappointing is almost contest Tamale Central Tamale Central exit no it was for makramu and let me leave you with Miss Roxanne so TikTok or TikTok apa or neutral but ni buefu Ashanti regional minister no abekika na okika join Ashanti regional minister na nya easy ese me this clip no eto asoma mo medam ase makramu.
Good afternoon and good evening. I am not back from my break. Now, let's start this political video by saying that I do not belong to any political party, but I believe in Dr. Baumia. Now, the regional minister for the Ashanti region, Honorable Aden Bibi Jijiwana, come forward. Whatever the fuck you call yourself. This video you posted is the height of us taking you for. We are giving you leniency on this app, and you think that we have to accept you for who you are. You are a fucking minister. You need to start behaving as such. You are a fucking minister of the Ashanti region, one of the biggest region in this country. We cannot take your biased behavior, your lackadaisical behavior anymore. 8 people died. 8 fucking human beings that went on duty as you were going on your duty, they died. 5 are from your fucking administration. And the only thing you could do is to carry a Moses rod and do content creation and have the audacity to post it the following day. What did we do? Is something wrong with you, Mr. Makohene? Honorable, enough is enough. We the country, we are mourning. We don't need to see your content creation and your views. If you think you want to create content, tell this president, Mr. Excellency John Dramani Mahama, to remove you and take your camera and create content. You are a minister of the Ashanti region, one of the biggest region in this country. Enough is, everybody is calling you out. Even your own NDC foot soldiers are calling you out. So put the camera down. And the only thing you could serve us today, after we lost these prominent people in this country, after we've lost these prominent dreams that got tarnished in a minute, because we the country, we have failed them. Yes, we the country, we failed them for that helicopter not to work well, for them to get to die on duty post. You think you can create your content? You went to that place, you carry a Moses rod, and you were able to create content. Take a video of the whole situation, journey to the east to come and post it the following day to tell her that you were there. Are you? What I want to say, you say I did not respect you. Honorable Minister, enough is enough with you. If you want her to report all your accounts for them to take it down, we'll do it for you. You better wake up from this your slumber you are doing. You are behaving as if you're a child that is not 30. You are a fucking minister of a region. Enough of the content creation. Must you show everything? Must you show everything? Is it only you that have a phone that has camera? What is it? Get the fuck off. Put the camera down and get to work. Put your fucking camera down and get to work. All goes to all the ministers, Volta regional minister, all of you are not working. The president is trying to do his best, and you guys are not doing anything. The country is not moving. The only thing you do is post content. If you want to collect content, resign from your post. We are mourning. You had the audacity to put this the following day. Maybe JJ, why? Maybe JJ, if not that you are a minister, what I told you, you will not like it. Are you a child? Are you not old enough to reason and know when the room doesn't need you to put your content? That's Jimmy and Nunu. You can't a whole minister, you are behaving like you are a TikToker. Now you want to reply everybody. Get the fuck off and take your work serious. Your region is good. People are getting kidnapped every day. People are getting killed in broad daylight. And the business thing you are doing is to create content and telling that there's nothing going on. People in your party are telling you things are going, the Ashanti region is not doing well. So wake the fuck up. And let us think. Every day you carry that. Why when you go to what then? Are you a child? You are a fucking minister. If you don't want to respect yourself as a minister, we'll drag you to the mud. Take your job serious, or the president should remove you. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the Ashanti regional minister needs to be removed immediately. What the fuck is wrong with you? Do you think they are joking in this country? They give you purpose and you are not doing anything. Volta region, Ashanti road is not good. Volta region road is not good. People are dying every day. You guys sit down, you are creating content out of everything. Wukita road, Moses, journey to the east. And then, is something wrong with you? Mussah,